constitutional rights is instead the one violating those rights. I mean, Madam Chair, in all fairness, how can a complaint regarding...
If that is the personal statement you are making, which is an attack on the commission, you are free to withdraw your complaint. I will not allow you to deny praise, to emasculate, and to demean and to disrespect this commission. If that is the personal statement you are making, you are not going any further.
Madam Chair, with this attitude...
You have to speak through your lawyers.
But you gave me a chance to speak, Madam Chair. You did not tell me what to say.
You are choosing this commission in violating human rights.
Madam Chair,
you cannot speak any further.
You yourself, Madam Chair, came out and mocked the victims of the missing people, and with this attitude, Madam Chair, and I hereby withdraw my complaint to this commission, because this commission lacks the impartiality, it lacks the independence to hear this case, Madam Chair. It is all right, but at least it is before the world, Madam Chair. Yeah, it's all right. Most obliged. I will leave this commission. Sure, I will. I will leave, Madam Chair. But it's clear that I've withdrawn my statement because clearly you are impartial and you lack the independence to handle this. This commission is on a test to decide whether it is serving the people of Uganda or serving the interests of General Museveni and his military regime. Remember, Madam Chair, this is supposed to be the Uganda Human Rights Commission, and I wanted to go on record telling you this. Thank you.
I'm not allowing you.
The world heard you, Madam Chair.
Everyone on the Uganda Human Rights Commission olwaleero ya musango gwe nawaaba mu 2016 mwezi ogwokubiri lwegutandika kuwulirwa kati 2024 myaka 8 giyiseewo, era waliwo n'omusango gwe nawaaba 21 kati wayiseewo emyaka 23 tegunaba kuwulirwa ogwo. Nali nguwaabidde mu kiseera ekyo yali Brigadier Nobo Mayombo n'okufa yafadda. Kale ebintu bya wano tetulinamu nnyo ssuubi nti birina kyebisobola okuyamba, naye mateeka nga bwe galagira ffe tulina okukozesa institutions zonna eziriwo okulaga obutali bumativu mu nsonga eziba zitukwatako. Era kyekibaddewo olwaleero, kyennaku olwaleero, looya wange Mulodi Salongo Elias Lukwago tasobodde kubeerawo kubanga kyali mugonvugonvu, ate twafuna okutegeezebwa ng'ekiseera kiweddeyo, n'olwekyo saasobola kufuna looya omulala. Naye n'ababadde nga bakuddamu ensonga zaffe era nabo babadde na muntu omu yekka, n'olwekyo n'omulodi ne bwe yandibaddewo tegwandigenze wala. Tujja kulinda olunaku olulala n'atuweebwa.